Hey Xavier,
Yes.
you ready to work on your next project?
Yeah.
And what do you think it's gonna be? We already know. It's the side skirts for the car. Right there. I got a little overzealous and I already took them out of the box and put them together. But I'll put the picture of what it's supposed to look like right here. And what I wound up doing was I took every single trim piece and it comes in a few different colors, black, red, blue, and they didn't have a yellow option. So since I had some extra yellow vinyl, I just wrapped all those pieces in yellow vinyl so that way it can pop with the car in the way we want, right? So now that I have these trim pieces off, the first thing I'm gonna do before I install them on the car is wrap them in yellow vinyl, which is right here. Now that I have everything wrapped in this yellow, I'm gonna be putting it on all the ABS plastic. There's a little part right there where this trim goes on here. When I get it all secured and all together, I'll show you while it's on the ground, and then I also have to trim it so that way it fits on the vehicle. Once I get all of that done, I'll be able to put it on the car and you'll see the finished product. Now that I have everything screwed all together, you can see what it looks like on one side. So now I'm going to take it out to the garage, cut it to where it fits underneath the vehicle, and stick it on there. I'm also going to be using double-sided tape on the top. So the double-sided tape will go on top. These brackets will then go underneath, and then a screw will be placed underneath here, through there, through the top on the double-sided tape. So the last part we have to do is get our double-sided tape, use our support brackets and our Amazon screws from the front lip spoiler video. I'll put that in a link in the description below so you can see that one. And we will get this attached to the vehicle so you can see how it turned out. So looking under the vehicle, you can see our stop point is going to be that little black piece of trim right there. And this is going to stop right in this groove right here. So we're going to put our double-sided tape right here in the center of this, all the way down. And we're going to run our screws from underneath the backside of this trim inside here in this gap. But first, we have to cut that end off. All right, now that I got the whole thing cut, it fits into place. It goes right in between there and right behind the mud flap. So now what I'm gonna do is clean up the underside, put our double-sided tape underneath there, get this stuck in place, and then start attaching my screws so that way it's secured to the body. Since this is so low, something else I realized I needed is this angle bit. Attach this to the drill and I can angle the screw straight up. If you don't have this, it might be good for you to drill your holes out for where you're going to be securing it to the body of the car. That's not always easy to do, so that's why I didn't do it ahead of time. But now that I know, I can let you know. And here it is. Side skirts all done. This one wasn't too bad. It's just getting that yellow wrapped on there so that way it can match the yellow of what we have already. But now it looks good. Bonus piece here for the video. This little part I got on Amazon. I'll show you the link in the description and I'll put it on the screen now. But these are two little universal pieces and they will accentuate the back part as well as what the sides and what the front have done. But since it's a universal piece, I'm gonna have to modify it. So I'm gonna place it under here, cut out what I don't need, and then stick it on, because right up underneath here is only a little sliver, this portion right here. This is the only spot where it can get attached to. So I will cut out what I don't need and attach that little portion right up here. So that way it doesn't go anywhere. Now with all the changes on it, as you can see, the yellow really stands out. One of the next things we're going to be doing is yellow fog lights down below. If you like what you see, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, and let us know what we should do next.
Bye.
Peace. Till the next one.